In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your workflow with Coda AI. Let's start by opening Coda and creating a new doc. Click New Doc, then decide whether you want a blank doc or to start from a template. Think of a doc as your main workspace, the container that holds everything related to your project. Give it a clear name that reflects the initiative you're working on so you and your collaborators can recognize it at a glance. Next, organize the space with pages in the left sidebar. Click plus new page and create dedicated sections like content plan, tasks, and client notes. Keeping each area on its own page makes information easier to find and helps your team know where to put updates. Now add the backbone of your system, tables. Type /table and insert a table into the relevant page. Add columns for task name, status, deadline, and owner. In Coda, each row represents a single item, one task, one piece of content, or one note. So keep rows focused and specific. Clear, consistent names will make your data easier to filter and search later. Customize your columns so the table works the way you do. Change column types to text, select dropdowns, dates, or checkboxes. For example, make status a dropdown with draft, in progress, and done. Set deadline as a date column so it can power calendars and reminders. Use a checkbox for quick flags like ready to publish. As your workspace grows, connect related data between pages. Link tables so you can reference information without duplicating it. A great pattern is to have a content calendar page that automatically pulls items from the tasks table, giving you one source of truth that appears in multiple contexts. To save time on repetitive tasks, add buttons. Type /button and create small actions like marking a task as done, adding a new row with preset values, or triggering a notification to a teammate. Test each button on a sample row to confirm it behaves as expected. Change how information appears by creating different views. Switch from a standard table to a calendar to visualize deadlines or to a Kanban board to manage work by status. Use views to focus on what matters today without changing the underlying data. Keep everything in one place by embedding files and links. Drop in images, videos, or relevant resources so anyone reviewing a task has full context without leaving the doc. Invite your team to collaborate. Share the doc, assign tasks to specific owners, and leave comments where work happens. Clear ownership and conversation threads keep momentum high. Finally, save time by templatizing. Duplicate your doc and reuse it for recurring systems like a content planner, a lightweight CRM, or a project tracker. Iterate as you go, and your Coda workspace will keep getting smarter with every